Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another maintenance video. This is Suzuki 650 Bandit, and today I'm gonna do the oil change and oil filter change and also the air filter change. So basically it is a very easy thing to do, and I would like to do it step by step. So for those of you who are gonna do it for the first time, it is gonna be I believe a great, let's say, and informative video. So right now we firstly have to check what we need. Let's go and see. What we need, guys, everything is here. So 4 liters of oil. I will use 10W40 because this is also according to the manual. Then I have the oil filter. It is Reffuel filtro. It is let's say the one that goes exactly on. It is 68 millimeters, and the same it is the oil filter wrench. So this is a tool that you're gonna need to easily remove the oil filter. And here we have the air filter. But firstly we are gonna do the oil change and oil filter. To do it we will need also a plastic box, let's say, wrench socket 17, and then for those 2 bolts that are connecting the fuel tank on the frame I need only 10 millimeters key. 2 screwdrivers. I don't know exactly what it's gonna be the size, that's why I have another one that it's a bit bigger, as you can see it here, and a funnel to put the oil easily inside. So basically, let's see, it needs 3.3 liters of oil. This is the oil that it's gonna be inside the engine, but when you're gonna change also the oil filter you will need a little bit more, so altogether it is according to the manual 3.5 liters of oil. So let's firstly remove the bolt there down to get to the oil, and then do the oil filter. It was very tight, that's why I had to use this bigger wrench. Now it's time to do the oil filter, and for doing it I'm gonna use this special key that just goes here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit here. Let's put some old oil here. It is very important not to over tighten the filter, so I'm gonna do it only using my hand. fresh oil is inside, and now it's time to turn on the bike, and then we will see if we need additional oil to put inside. Let's check the measurement, and as we can see, it is at half, and this is how it should be according to the manual. Let's do now the air filter. So we have to remove these two bolts firstly, and then we will lift up the fuel tank. You have to lift it a little bit up like this, and then pull it back, and here I have a piece of foam to turn, let's say to put the fuel tank a little bit on the side, not to scratch anything. So let's do it. Here it's the foam not to scratch the fuel tank or the frame. So let's lift it. What we actually have here is, these are the vents hoses that just go out, and you cannot miss when you are gonna put them back, because one it's a bit smaller, I mean tighter. And then we have here it's the fuel connection, and the other part it's the vacuum connection. And then here we have, here it is, you know, the plastic that you can see right now. This is the fuel sender connector. So let's do it right now. You should have something on the floor because of the fueling system that it's under the fuel tank. Now we have the access to everything, so in case of changing the spark plugs there, and in case of the valves adjustments, everything is here. So lifting the tank, it's not so easy, but it's always necessary. And here it's the air filter box. So we're now gonna remove these two bolts and take the air filter out. So let's do it. So as you can see, it is really dirty, and I'm gonna replace it with the new one. So here we can see the difference. Let's see the difference, the new one and the old one. A very different color. It is a little bit dirty inside, and now we are gonna clean it and then basically just put the filter and the plastic on, and you are done. Don't forget to unscrew this tab. This is for some water that may be in the filter box. Yeah, and as we can see, it was a bit of a mixture probably of water and oil. Now we can put it again on. The air filter is inside. It is raining quite heavily. Let's put everything together the reverse way and then turn on the bike. When you already connected everything, just be careful to not kink this fuel hose here. It should be in the hole, and this is how it looks. So it should be here. Be careful, because otherwise you can have a fueling problem. This is all for now, guys. This was the oil change and air filter change. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that this video is going to be useful for some of you. You can do it on your own. It takes a bit of your time, but anyway, you can do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.